This tutorial shows you how to share live location with others using Google Maps. So let's get started. First, you have to open Google Maps. So on your Android or iPhone, this will work. After that, click on your profile that's on the top right. And then click on location sharing. So this is the setting. After that, click on shared location that's in the blue box. And here we can decide how long we want to share our location for. So you can keep it time based. So you can change the time by just clicking on the plus and minus buttons like this, or otherwise just select until you turn this off. And on top, you'll get a preview of what the other people can see. They can see your name, location, and the battery left on your phone. Now coming to how to share it. So there are many ways to share it. Over here you can just scroll through these options. And these are all of the different ways. So what I prefer is just copying it to clipboard. So we'll get a link that we can share with others. So I'll click on this option, copy to clipboard, then click on share. We need to give location access all the time to maps. So just go to settings. And now it's done. The location sharing has started and the link has been copied to clipboard. And now if you want to stop sharing, just click on sharing via link that's at the bottom over here. And now just click on stop that's at the bottom right. And now as you can see, we've stopped sharing. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.